Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
If you've ever wanted the ability to hide product prices on your Shopify store, whether that's for a special promotion, a contact for price strategy, or simply to streamline your site's look for now, today I'm showing you exactly how to do it. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to control the visibility of prices across your store with ease and confidence, all through a quick theme edit. No apps, no complicated workarounds, just a straightforward method. Alright, let's jump right in. First, you want to open up your Shopify dashboard and head over to the section labeled Online Store. That's where all of your visual and structural storefront controls live. Once you're there, look just beside the Customize button. You'll see three little dots. These are your gateway to editing your store's theme code directly. Click those dots, then select Edit Code from the menu that pops up. If you've never peeked behind the curtain of your store before, don't worry, you're in the right place, and I'll guide you every step of the way. Next up, you're going to search for Theme Liquid in the search bar at the top left of this code section. Theme Liquid is the backbone file that controls the overall layout and structure for every page on your store. By editing this file, you're making changes that will apply site-wide, so you only need to do this once, and it will impact the way prices display everywhere. Take a moment to make sure you're definitely editing the *main Theme Liquid file, not a snippet or a template, as those only affect specific pages. Now, within the Theme Liquid file, scroll down to the very bottom, right at the top of the closing /body tag. Sometimes the file can look a bit busy, so just take your time and look for that closing body tag. You don't have to delete anything, we're simply going to add a new line. A quick press of the Enter key to create some space is just fine. Then you'll take the code I've placed in the video description below and paste it right there. If you're not super comfortable with code, don't stress. I've made sure this snippet is safe and easy to use. The space helps keep everything clean, and by pasting it here, you ensure the code will be loaded on every page, silently doing its job in the background. Once your code is pasted, go ahead and click the big blue Save button at the top right. Saving is essential. It actually pushes your changes out to your live store. Sometimes there can be a little delay or a brief spinning loading icon while Shopify updates your site. Just be patient and don't navigate away until it's done. With all that set, now comes the fun part. Head over to your actual store, and this can be done by clicking View Store in the Shopify dashboard. Take a look at your product pages or anywhere you know prices used to appear. You'll notice that those price tags are nowhere to be found. Your customers now see whatever experience you've planned without any distracting dollar signs, and that's really all there is to it. Simple, direct, and powerful, just a handful of clicks, a quick copy-paste, and your store now hides prices with full control. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit that like button. Got questions or want me to cover another Shopify tweak? Drop a comment below. I love hearing what you guys want to learn next. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a tutorial that could make a big difference for your online business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.